Sleep better. Build faster. 5 double beds that combine comfort and hassle-free setup. First, Sweetcrispy Headboard Mattress Foundation Assembly, $150. A double bed frame with tool-free, sturdy assembly, and an integrated headboard. Pop it together fast and get straight to decorating. Strong support and easy setup make it ideal for first apartments or quick room refreshes. If you want a stable base without the toolbox, this model is made for fast comfort. Second, Furnulem Headboard Upholstered Charging Platform, $200. An upholstered double bed with a headboard and built-in charging ports. Style meets convenience for modern bedrooms. Soft-touch fabric and bedside charging means fewer bedside clutter and more cozy downtime. If bedtime routines include devices, this platform makes charging seamless. Third, Fluest Headboard Footboard All-Metal Assembly, $120. An all-metal double bed frame with straightforward assembly and both headboard and footboard included. Durable, minimalist, and budget-friendly. If you want a no-nonsense frame that stands up to daily use and looks clean, this metal build is a practical match. Fourth, Novilla Platform Storage Support Assembly, $180. A platform double bed with built-in storage so you can ditch the box spring and tuck away blankets or seasonal items. Solid support and clever storage make it ideal for smaller rooms that need extra capacity. For tidy bedrooms with hidden storage, this platform saves space and looks great. Fifth, new JETO Frame Simple Atmospheric Platform, $100. A simple, atmospheric platform frame that keeps costs low while delivering a stable sleeping surface. Minimal design fits many decor styles and is easy to move or reconfigure. If you're after an economical, stylish base to build a bedroom around, this is a clean, wallet-friendly option.